Hello everyone, this is FrankTastic here. Wow, that is really bright and I am sweating like crazy. So I am doing a oil change on my 2017 R6. Before you say anything, yeah, I know, I need to shave. This is not working out for me. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a oil change on my bike and I figured I'd just record it, make a little video out of it. So with that being said, let's get to it.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone.
So it's like extremely hot out here. You can see, still draining there. While that's doing that, I gotta head to the local dealership, Longshore, to get a new washer for my drain bolt. That's like the one thing I forgot to buy. So I'm gonna head over there, get that, and then come back and finish this. Alright, and I'm back, and it's hot. I went ahead and bought 3 of them. Let's get back to it. Woohoo! So I am having trouble getting the oil filter off. This part right here is stripping. I'm not gonna be able to get that off with my wrench, which means I'm gonna have to improvise. Great. I've never had it cause me this much problems before. That's on tight. That's on tight. Normally, if you can't get it off with a wrench, you can just stab a screwdriver in it and use the screwdriver. It bent my screwdriver. Never had that happen. That is not coming off without some type of tool. So I gotta go back out. See you in a second. I think I got it.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just
So, done with the bike. I don't even know if you can hear me over the bike. I got the oil change. I got the plastics back on. I'm just letting it sit there so the oil can go through the engine and everything. It's technically what you want to do. Like whenever you first start to do an oil change and the bike's cold, just crank it up and let it sit there and heat up and warm the oil up so it's easier to get out. Let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then once you get everything back on and you're done with it, you want to let it sit. I've always been told to let it sit for about 10 minutes. That's what I've always done. I don't know if there's like a specific time limit on that. I've just always done 10 minutes. It's been sitting about maybe 5 minutes now. If you're wondering what kind of oil I got Mobil 1 full synthetic TW40. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I am extremely hot and tired, and I need a shave. Yeah, I know. Probably get a haircut too. But I hope you liked this video. Click the like button if you did. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I hope I see you in the comment section, and you will see me in the next video. Bye bye.